something that's completely new, is exciting, is authentic, is useful.
Trying to solve a problem, try to improve a solution, try and make life easier.
Innovation to me, I suppose, is a bit of a holistic view at new trends and new technology and new ways of talking to people.
When creativity is involved in a project or in something, it then just makes it better.
I think innovation is shown to be a proven value driver. When companies innovate in a way that is meaningful for their customers and for the end users, it's pretty clear that it can change the rules of business, the rules of marketing, and create new opportunities for growth.
My name is Chris Butt. I'm the founder and chief executive of Cognisess, and we're a neurosoftware company that's interested in human intelligence and performance. We've been asked by Havas Media to really look at what innovation means in the context of their organisation. How does it impact on teams, team dynamic, individual work practices? And in order to do that, we need to take a step back and really try and understand what innovation means in the context of how people act, how they make decisions, the type of personality they are.
My name's Ashley. I'm a research associate at Cognisess. I think a lot of the participants are they're cautious about what's going on because the idea of an assessment is a bit scary sometimes. But once they're engaging with the assessments, you know, they're playing interactive games, they're learning about themselves through their personality. I think that's exciting for them. And yeah, it's been really good to engage with them. And they're also interested about the idea of entrepreneurship, innovation and leadership themselves. I'd also say that a lot of the time they've been surprised about some of the things that they may be finding about themselves through the assessments.
And we found some really interesting findings. We found that cognitive function, somebody's ability to focus and concentrate, their spatial working memory are very important predictors when it comes to being innovative. And we found also that certain personality attributes, for example, openness to experience, perhaps you would expect that, is a predictor of innovation.
Well, innovation comes from creative thinking, and creative thinking comes from people, and people are at their best when they feel safe and when they're in a team and when they, you know, and being able to play with ideas.
Clearly it's got to come through people. I think you need a blend of people in the group that can bring different perspectives to client problems or challenges.
So this project has all been about trying to better understand what innovation is, particularly at the organisational level. You know, what does it mean to Havas Media? But then if we look at team dynamic and at the individual level, you know, where is the gold dust? What is it about people who innovate that is different from the rest of us?
Within Havas, we've started innovating the way that we work with influencers. I think this is quite an interesting and trending topic that comes from sort of a unique base of your everyday person, I suppose. They're meant to be like you and me, except they have a camera in front of them. But I think the way that you can innovate working with influencers is definitely changing and it's very interesting.
Involving the people that work closely in the projects, also involving all the teams that are not part of the project that might bring some value.
When you're in a great team and you feel secure, you can come up with all those fantastic creative ideas.
So what are the outcomes for this project at Havas? Well, quite simply, if you can better understand how people innovate and what those attributes are, clearly that has a direct link to how you go about your recruitment. Could be that you need to recruit in a particular way, that your candidate selection around people who are more innovative or entrepreneurial is more informed by the data that we've collected. Clearly there's going to be an impact at Havas in regard to their teams, and there's no question that innovation means different things to different departments, different job roles and different job types. So now that we have that data can be used to really inform managers within those departments to try and understand what it is about their team and that dynamic and how they can perhaps alter and change through training, coaching, or just being more self-aware about the issue around entrepreneurialism or innovation.